Hello students, welcome to my channel, My Maths Teacher. I am teacher Krupa with one more video on the lesson Linear Regression. This is the 9th video on the chapter Linear Regression. As you know, and we have started with properties of coefficients of regression. And we have finished question number 1 to 6 of this exercise. Today we will be solving question number 7 and 8. So let's begin. See, question number 7 is for a certain bivariate data, when the mean of x and y and then the standard deviation of x and y. Also, r is equal to 0.5. And we are asked to estimate y when x is equal to 10 and estimate x when y is equal to 16. So first let us write what is given. So your given is mean of x is 25. That means x bar is 25. Then mean of y is 20. So we'll write y bar is equal to 20. Then standard deviation. Standard deviation is denoted by sigma. So standard deviation of x is 4. That means sigma x is equal to 4. And standard deviation of y is 3. So we'll write sigma y is equal to 3. Also r is equal to 0.5. Right? Then let us estimate y when x is equal to 10. That means over here we have to first find the line of regression of y on x. Right? And then by substituting x is equal to 10, we'll get the value of y. So first let us write line of regression of y on x. It is given as y is equal to a plus byx into x. So let us first calculate the value of byx and a. So byx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x. So let us substitute the values. R is 0.5 into sigma y is 3 and sigma x is 4. So we get 0.5 can be written as 5 upon 10 into 3 by 4. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So you get byx is equal to 3 upon 8. Now let us find the value of a. A is given as y bar minus byx into x bar. Let us substitute the values. Y bar is 20 and byx we have calculated 3 by 8 and x bar is 25. So we get 20 minus 75 upon 8, that is 160 minus 75 upon 8, that is equal to 85 upon 8. So a is equal to 85 upon 8. Now by substituting the values of byx and a in the line of regression of y on x, we'll get the equation of line of regression of y on x. So let us substitute. Now we know that line of regression of y on x is y is equal to a plus byx. Now a is 85 upon 8 plus byx is 3 upon 8 into x. So this is your line of regression of y on x. We have to find the value of y when x is equal to 10. So when x is equal to 10, y is equal to 85 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8 into 10. So that is equal to 85 upon 8 plus 30 upon 8. So 85 plus 30 is 115. So we get 115 upon 8. This is equal to 14.375. So we can write y is equal to 14.375 when x is equal to 10. So this completes your sub-question number 1. Now let us start with sub-question 2. The next sub-question is estimate x when y is equal to 16. That means over here we'll have to find the line of regression of x on y. And then by substituting the value of y equal to 16, we'll get the value of x. So let us start. So line of regression of x on y is given as x is equal to a dash plus bxy into y. So let us find bxy. Bxy is given as r into sigma x upon sigma y. So let us substitute the values. R is equal to 0.5 into sigma x is 4, sigma y is 3. So we get 5 upon 10 into 4 by 3. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. You get 2 upon 3. Now we'll find a dash. A dash is equal to x bar minus bxy into y bar. Let's substitute the values. X bar is 25 minus bxy we have got 2 upon 3 into y bar. Y bar is 20. So we get 25 minus 40 upon 3. That is 75 minus 40 upon 3. So that is 35 upon 3. So let's write a dash is equal to 35 upon 3. Now we'll substitute the value of bxy and a dash in the equation of line of regression of x on y. So let us write line of regression of x on y is x is equal to a dash. A dash is 35 upon 3 plus bxy. Bxy we have got 2 upon 3 into y. Right? Now substitute the values of y. That is when y is equal to 16. We get x is equal to 35 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 16. That is equal to 35 upon 3 plus 16 twos are 32. So 32 upon 3. So that comes to 67 upon 3. Therefore, x is equal to 22.33. So therefore, x is equal to 22.33 when y is equal to 16. This completes your second sub question. Let's start with question number 8. See, question number 8 of exercise 3.2 is, given the following information about the production and demand of a commodity, obtain the two regression lines. Then they have given us the mean of production is 85 and of demand is 90. Then standard deviation of production is 5 and of demand is 6. and the coefficient of correlation between x and y is 0.6. Also estimate the production when demand is 100. Okay, so first let us write what is given. Now the mean of x is 85. That means we can write x bar is equal to 85. Then mean of y is 90. That means y bar is equal to 90. Then standard deviation of x is 5. It is denoted by sigma x. So sigma x is equal to 5 and sigma y is equal to 6. Then there is given the coefficient of correlation, that is R. So R is equal to 0.6. So using this data, we have to find the regression lines of x on y and also of y on x. So let us first find the regression line of y on x. Now regression line of y on x is given as y is equal to a plus byx into x. So let us first find byx. So byx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x. Now we'll substitute the values. So r is equal to 0.6 into sigma y, that is 6 upon 5, right? So we get 0.6 into 6 is 3.6 upon 5. So that is equal to 0.72. Then we'll find A. A is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. So we will substitute the values. Y bar is given as 90 minus byx we have calculated 0.72 into x bar. X bar is 85. So we get 90 minus 0.72 into 85 is 61.2. So that is equal to 90 minus 61.2 is 28.8. So we have got A, that is equal to 28.8, and byx is 0.72. So let us substitute this in the line of regression of y on x. So we'll write, hence line of regression of y on x is y is equal to 28.8 plus 0.72 into x. So this completes your line of regression of y on x. Now let's find line of regression of x on y. Now line of regression of x on y is given as x is equal to a dash plus bxy into y. So first we'll find dxy. So bxy is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. So we'll substitute the values. R is equal to 0.6. Sigma x is 5 and sigma y is 6. So you get this is equal to 0.5. Then let us find a dash. A dash is equal to x bar minus bxy into y bar. So we'll substitute the values. X bar is 85 minus 0.5 into y bar. Y bar is 90. So we get 85 minus 45, that is equal to 40. So we got bxy and we got a dash. So we'll substitute these values in the line of regression of x on y. Hence, line of regression of x on y is x is equal to a dash is 40, so 40 plus bxy 0.5 into y. So this is your line of regression of x on y. Now in the third sub question, we have to estimate x when y is equal to 100. So we substitute y is equal to 100 in the regression equation of x on y. So we'll write when y is equal to 100, x is equal to 40 plus 0.5 into 100. So we get 40 plus 0.5 into 100 is 50. So we get 40 plus 50, that is 90. So we'll write x is equal to 90 when y is equal to 100. Now let's write the final answer. The production will be 90 when the demand is 100. So students, with this we have finished question number 8. The remaining questions will be solving in the next video. So don't forget to watch my next video. So students, I am sure as usual you must have liked this video. So please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of this channel. Keep practicing, keep enjoying maths. Thank you and goodbye.